Friends, I hope you all are safe and healthy. Here is our another video chapter of science. In this module, you will learn about reproduction in plants. Let us learn how plants reproduce. That is worksheet number 2. The contents of the chapter are reproduction, vegetative reproduction, plant growth, and dispersal of seeds. All living organisms are capable of giving birth to their young ones, which are either exactly same or somewhat similar to them. Can you tell me, students, the process of giving birth to an offspring is known as? Yes, is known as the process of reproduction. In simple terms, it is defined as the process in which living organisms give birth to an offspring which is similar or same to them. Now, when I say living organism, it should include plants as well, right? Yes, of course. We have seen a new plant emerging from a seed. Where does the seed come from? Yes, it comes from some plants, right? Absolutely. But wait, have we seen all the plants always giving us flowers and fruits and seeds? No. So don't these plants reproduce? Or they reproduce by some other means of reproduction? Let us answer all these questions in this video. Hello children, here is the part 2 video of reproduction in flowering plants. So here we go. Reproduction in plants. I will try to make you understand the process in a simpler way, students. Like animals and human beings, plants also reproduce to make sure the continuation of their species. They reproduce in many ways. Most of the plants grow from the seeds, whereas some plants which reproduce with the help of leaves, stem and root. The process by which parts of plants grow into a new plant is called vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. There are many ways of vegetative reproduction. The first is reproduction through stems. Have you observed a potato carefully? It has some small buds on it called eyes. When an eye is planted into the soil, it grows into a new plant. Several plants like ginger and potato are actually underground stems, and these stems store food in them and grow into a new plant by their buds. Each bud grows into a new plant. Some new plants can also grow from pieces of the stem because they have buds on them. These pieces of the stem called stem cutting. Many plants like sugarcane, rose, hibiscus, etc. grows from stem cutting. Now, activity time. Take a big potato and cut it into several parts in such a way that each part of it has a bud, and plant these potatoes into the soil. These potato parts will grow into a new potato plant. Now, reproduction through leaves. Some plants like bryophyllum have thick leaves and buds on its edges. When these leaves falls down on the ground, buds start growing. Now, reproduction from roots. The roots of plants like sweet potato grow as new plants. Activity: take a sweet potato and put it into a bottle containing water, and after few days you will find a new plant grows in the bottle. Yes, it will be interesting. Reproduction from seeds. Children, we eat fruits. Some fruits have many seeds, whereas some fruits don't have seeds. Most plants produce many flowers that turns into fruits. They have seeds in them, but all the seeds don't produce a plant. Some seeds are not fully developed, so they can't grow into a new plant. Some seeds have some diseases or defect in them, while some seeds are eaten by birds. So only fully grown or healthy intact seeds can grow into a plant. Okay students, now move on to the structure of seed. Take a few gram seeds and soak them for a while. Now it becomes easy to see the seed, and look at the parts. You will see the seed has three main parts. The thick outer covering is called seed coat, which protects the seed from damaging, and it has a scar. This is the place which is attached to the fruit. The scar has a tiny hole on it that allows water to enter the seed. Inside the seed coat, the seed has seed leaves, and the seed leaves are known as, can you tell me? Yes, it is known as cotyledons. These seeds cover the baby plants in between them, and the baby plant inside the leaf is called embryo. The baby plant remains inside the seed until it gets the favorable conditions to grow. Now we will move on to the next topic, that is germination of seeds. Yes. The seed needs oxygen, water and sunlight to grow into a new plant. This is the process of growing a plant from a seedling is termed as germination, as you can see in the picture. The process of germination from a seedling to a new plant. The process is called germination of a seed. Okay children, now dispersal of seeds. Plants need adequate space to grow. Seeds need to be scattered in a proper space away from the parent plant. The process of scattering of seeds is called dispersal of seeds. It happens in 4 ways: by water, by wind, by animals and by the explosion of fruits. So children, hope you enjoyed the session, and please go through the worksheet number. Thank you. Stay home, save Earth.